Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Aolon Watch Prime 3 to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, I have here our new smartwatch from Aolon, the Watch Prime 3. And now I'm going to show you on how to connect it to your phone. So all you have to do guys is you're going to, when you boot the smartwatch, so you have to select the language. So in my case, I choose English. And then you just have to scan to download the app or pair. Okay, in my case, I have here my Android phone. And all I have to do is I'm going to scan this one. So after scanning guys, so you just have to kind of like copy and then go to paste it. Okay, so it will direct us to Glory Fit Pro, and in my case is we're going using Android, so let's go and check on Google Play, and it will prompt us to install Glory Fit Pro, and let's download it. So let's tap on open and then just tap on agree, and in our case guys, let's just skip the registration, and after that just tap on let's try to skip. Okay, you can actually just skip guys, and you can check it later, and then let's tap here device and just tap on add device, allow. Okay, just tap allow and then allow. Everything is just tap on allow guys. Okay, so it has detected our Aolon Prime 3. Okay, let's tap connect and tap yes or tap on check. And here guys is our Aolon Prime 3. It's already connected, and in here guys you can also change the you can customize like the watch face. It's all in here. Okay, there are lots of watch faces that you can download, and also we have here your device settings. So you have the race to wake, remote shutter, do not disturb mode, find my watch, find my phone, screen timeout, device language. So you can just customize that one guys, all in our application. So again guys, that's just very easy on how to connect and set up your new Aolon Watch Prime 3. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.